These are the trading apps that you can download and use to trade as a beginner in Forex. For advanced traders, we prefer to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Sometimes we use Tradingview. And as a beginner, you might not know what is Forex is, and some of you might actually already have these apps, but you don't know how to get started. It's super simple if now you have managed to get these apps, and which is the first step that you need to do in actually starting your journey to trade Forex. But as an advanced trader, we use these apps to be a technical trader or fundamental trader. But there are some features that are important when you're using this MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. For me, based on my personal experience, I use MetaTrader 5 most of the time. Why? Because it's easier and simple to use when it comes to setting stop loss, setting take profit, and also buying and selling. Now, we have these platforms, DeriveX, DeriveC. These are the platforms that are provided by the broker that we're using, such as IC Markets Trader, Tradingview, connected to IC Markets as linking the account. Now, when it comes to talking about an account, for us to be able to use these platforms, in order for you to know how to get started or what is the next steps, you need to actually have a trading account. Either you have a trading account with Derive or you have an account with IC Markets, which is another broker that I'm using to trade the market. Okay, we go to the buy, we go to IC Markets, we go to Google, we go to continue, we choose different account, we choose this one, and we choose the continue. And then after that, you'll be able to have the profile. Once you have the profile, you go to charts. Now on IC Markets, it's super simple to have these accounts or have an account with IC Markets. I provided links in the description below so that you can actually watch the tutorial on how to be able to register an account with IC Markets. Only 5 steps that you need to take in order for you to register an account with IC Markets. And once you've managed to register an account with IC Markets, the question will be, how much money do you need or how much money can you invest in trading? I recommend that you start with $10. You can start with $10 and be able to buy and sell. We also have FX View, but then with Derive, you'll be able to trade with the synthetic indexes. I don't recommend you trading currencies pair or currency pair with Derive. Derive is a broker for you to trade the synthetic indexes. Now, here is something that you need to know about Derive. You have Derive Go, which is the app that you can download from Google Play Store and Apple Store. But for you to use that app, you need to have an account. And having an account, it's simple. I've provided links in the description below that teaches you step by step on how to open an account. And you can alternatively come to this website using the links that I provided in the description below so that it can land you to in this page. And once you're inside Derive, we have the option to choose demo and a real account. Now we have CFDs. Options, CFDs, this is where we get our account. We can get the standard account, financial account, sub free. These are the accounts that we can choose. DeriveX, this is the account that we need in order for us to use the app that is provided by Derive. Now we have also DeriveC. These are the apps that we use for trading. DeriveC is an app that we can use to trade the market. Now, this app, it's super simple, not that difficult to use. And you can actually use it on your mobile phone, on your PC. Okay, we also have Tradingview. Tradingview, for some of you might actually be aware of what Tradingview is. But if you don't know what Tradingview, we have charts section, we have menu, we have explore, we have ideas, we have watch list. This is where we see our assets. But the most important part about these platforms, it's for us to analyze the market and buy and sell, setting stop loss, setting take profit. That's all that we need to do. Do we understand? Do we have any difficulties? Now, how can you be able to use these platforms? Right. As I've mentioned, I prefer for us to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Let's open MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4. When we look at MetaTrader 4, let's go to Advanced. When you go to Advanced, we see the chart like this. As earlier on, I asked you the question that some of us, we don't know what Forex is and we would like to know what is Forex. Forex, basically, we're trading the assets. We're trading the assets such as the AUD, USD, which means we're trading one currency to another currency. We are exchanging the currencies. But how do we make profit? We make profit because of this chart. You can see this chart here. We have the blue and red line. if the blue and red line, if right now we place a buy on the red line, it goes up. The graph, this graph that you see here, it goes up. We make profit. Why do we make profit? Because there is a difference between where we placed a buy and where the price of green or blue or red and blue line is. So that is simple and straightforward to understand. Now, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 has sections. Below here we have codes, we have charts, we have trade, we have history, we have settings. Simple. And settings, it's only available for iPhone Vision. For the Android Vision, we have for the Android Vision, we have the message here. We have the message here. Now, messages, you don't do anything. We have trade, we have history, we have charts, we have codes. Now, you only have to use this three dot icon here on the top left screen. And once you've used that three dot on the top left screen, that's where you'll be able to see the manage account, adding or linking your account, and settings and all that, those features, calendar and all that. But those features, they're not that much important. Let's see if we do have, yes, this is what I'm referring to. You can see manage account, trade, news. These are the things that are not much important, but you can play with these features. The most important feature here is to link an account, which is you can come to a manage account. But you can do that with what? With IC markets, which means you have to come to manage account so that you can be able to link the account. There is another tutorial on this channel that teaches you how to be able to link the account, which is quite simple. You'll be able to see this plus icon over here and you'll be able to log into an existing account. Is that clear? For the iPhone Vision, you'll come to new account and be able to link up the account. But with the Derive, if we come to Derive like this, we have the option of getting an account and then setting a password. Let's say we set a password. We set a password that we like, and let's set a password that we like and say add account. Anyway, let's go to real account. Let's go to a real account, and so that you can be able to see. Now, once you're on Derive, you will be able to have the options to see the CFDs. If you have not landed on this page, let's go to options. If let's say right now you've landed on this page of Derive Trader here, maybe let's say you've landed on this section. Remember, Derive will offer you a wallet account where you keep your money. These are my wallet accounts where I keep my money, and I can easily transfer this money to my MetaTrader 5. Now, this three dot icon here on the top left screen, if we tap on it, we have the option of Traders Hub. We have trade, we have reports. The most important part here is Traders Hub, and if we go back here again, we see Cashier, and this is where we're able to see the option for deposit and withdrawal. Now, the transfer, this is where we're able to transfer our amount of money, the amount of money that we want to transfer to an account, which is an MT5 account. Derive is offering you an MT5 account, doesn't offer you a MetaTrader 4 account. But for IC markets, you have the options to have what? To have a MetaTrader 4 account. So we also have the options for deposit and withdrawal. So the links are provided in the description below. So now that clears up everything. These platforms, they offer many features, such as you'll be asking yourself, what are pips, what are spread, what are lot size? Lot size, by the way, we are teaching another topic here. Let's look at this feature of a lot size. Now, once you see the section codes here, the section of codes, you'll be able to see the assets, you'll be able to see the price of buying and selling, and when you go to chart, you'll be able to see the graph, and when it goes up, you can see it's buying, and when it goes down, it's selling. And when it goes down, the candlesticks which are painted in red, and this one are painted in green, which is quite simple. Now, when we look at the assets as buying and selling goes, we need to be able to buy and sell. All right, here is the feature for buying and selling. And some of you might not see this feature, and which you can easily get this feature by pressing this icon over here. By pressing this icon over here, you can get the feature of selling on or sell or buy. So you can be able to sell or buy. But how can you buy and sell? And that's when you need to have a strategy, and the strategy will be based on the time frame. So on this channel, I provided tutorials for you to guide you through understanding the candlesticks, the red and blue or green, depending on which platforms are you using. So do not be confused as to using different platforms that you see out there. Tradingview, that most of us know Tradingview. This is our platform of Tradingview. We can link up Tradingview with IC markets by actually coming to this section over here of buyers and sellers. We tap on buy, we tap on IC markets, and we tap on sign up, which we need first to create a profile. And using Tradingview, it's quite simple. And we actually link an account. We can choose an account of this one, family business, and we click on continue. Using Tradingview, it's quite simple. We go to charts. When we go to charts, this is what we see, and we already linked it with IC market. So we can actually we can actually tap on it, and we can see this is our IC market here account, and we can be able to buy and sell. But linking it is super simple. What you have to do, let's sign out. Use a different account, because that one is already synced. Because you need to sync the account. We go to charts, we go to the buy, you go to buy, and you go to IC markets, you go to connect. And you cannot connect without you having the account on IC markets. You must have a CTrader account on IC markets. If we check now IC markets, we cancel like this. This is IC markets, and you can see this is our CTrade account over here. This is our CTrade account. So this CTrade account you'll be able to sync it to Tradingview, which is quite simple. So you must have an account with IC markets, provided you use the links in the description below. So now we go to Tradingview, we click on connect, and once we connect, it will actually sync the account that we have with IC market. So we can actually log in. Now we've managed to log in. You can see this is the account. We scroll down and we click on sync to Tradingview, and we're able to have the account linked to Tradingview, and now we can be able to buy and sell. Is that clear? We can be able to buy and sell without any issue. So everything is synced. Now we have the account IC markets. We can cancel here on that times icon over there. So now we can be able to buy and sell using Tradingview. Now you can go to watch list, where we're able to see our asset. We can come to this plus sign over here and add an asset that we want, and that's all that you need to understand about Tradingview. But to get a comprehensive guide on how to use it, we have a tutorial on this channel that teaches you how to be able to use Tradingview without any issue. So next time you are trying to trade Forex, these are the platforms that you can use in order for you to start trading Forex. So I love you all. Stay blessed. And this is my real account, by the way. You can see, and we are in profit already. We are actually trading these markets. So the market will be closed during the weekend. But with the synthetics indexes, they are not closed. They are actually working 24/7. So stay blessed. I love you all. I'll see you on another tutorial.